Hello, welcome to kindergarten at Willow Lane. We are so excited to start this school year with you. We can't wait to meet you and spend the days with you. One of my favorite things about back to school is getting all of our back to school supplies ready and packing our backpack for the first day. So that's what I'm going to go over with you. Moms and dads, I feel like you've got so much to read and look through and organize. As a team, we were hoping that this video is helpful to you. We're just going to go over what supplies you need and sort of how to organize them this year. We also have a request from Art because Art is going to be in the classroom. There's a special art supply list this year. So here we go. So like I said, we're super excited to see you. We cannot wait to meet you. We're going to ask that you bring a backpack that will fit your 9x12 homework folder and your lunch bag comfortably, okay? It should also fit your pencil box that's going to come to and from school each day. So just keep that in mind. It shouldn't have wheels or handles, and it should have your name clearly marked on it. We're going to ask that you bring one child-sized pair of headphones with your child's name written on them in Sharpie. Please be mindful, a lot of the earbuds, their tiny little ears and their tiny little ear holes are too small for most of the little ear pod things. So really the thing I recommend most for kindergartners are the headphones. So headphones with their name written on it. If you could please bring one large plastic rectangular shaped pencil box, write your child's name on the bottom. That would be great. We're also going to ask that you bring 2 boxes of pre-sharpened pencils. Okay, so 2 boxes of pre-sharpened pencils. I will do a little commercial. These are the best pencils. They tend to break less, which means you don't have to sharpen them as much, which means then they last longer. So they're a little bit more expensive, but I feel like you get more for your money. A lot of times you can't find them. A pencil's a pencil. It works. But 2 boxes of pencils would be lovely. Okay, what's next? Let's see. An individual pencil sharpener for at-home use only. So if you don't already have a pencil sharpener at home, we recommend you purchase one and then keep it at home for at-home use. We're going to ask that you please purchase a 6-pack of the large glue sticks. We're going to ask that you purchase a 6-pack of the Expo dry erase markers. Please purchase at least, where are they? Here they are. At least 2 packs of the Crayola 24-pack crayons. Okay, 2 of those. And at least 1 pack of the Crayola washable markers. Another commercial, I strongly recommend the washable markers. What else do we need here? 1 pair of child-sized scissors. If your child is left-handed, you want to just make sure that you have left-handed scissors. We're also going to ask that you please bring a water bottle that your child can open all on their own. So you want to make sure that they can open it on their own, that they can close it tightly on their own. You want to make sure that it's not glass, please. Because even the ones that are covered in glass with the plastic on the outside, if they fall off the desks, which they tend to do, they break and make a big mess. So plastic, stainless, something that won't break, please. That would be lovely. What else do we need? Masks. Please have 2 clean masks in their bag every day. So we're anticipating them falling off or getting sneezed in or getting snack on them, or who knows. So having 2 would be really helpful, and just kind of, keeping track of, maybe you want to have a little Ziploc baggie that says clean, another one says dirty, and then we can figure that out, or just kind of keeping track of them would be really helpful. So 2 masks, an individual hand sanitizer for your child. It can be the one that you kind of stick on the backpack. It can be a little container for in their backpack, but an individual hand sanitizer for your child only would be great. Let's see, I want to make sure that I got everything. A little container, a little pack of tissues for your child to keep in their backpack. You may want to use that front pocket of their backpack for the hand sanitizer, the masks, the tissues. That could maybe go in that front little pocket of their backpack, okay? day your child will have one peanut-free, please make sure they're peanut-free snack each day. For the snack, you really want to make sure that they can open it on their own. In kindergarten, it's really important that they're as independent as possible because the independence also increases their self-confidence, makes them feel really good and really proud of themselves. So having snacks that they can open by themselves, having water bottles that they can open and close by themselves, that's a really important thing, not only for safety, health and safety reasons, but also for their confidence. What else? Let's see. Oh, last thing. If you could please send in, this is a small one, you can send in larger ones, 1 container of Play-Doh for your child. The Play-Doh, the markers, will both be kept in a cubby just for your child's use. Okay? So those are some of the things we're going to ask you to please bring. Or not bring, I apologize. Those are some of the things we're going to ask you to purchase. What is your child bringing to school this year? Usually we bring all these things in and then we replenish them throughout the school year. We're going to ask that you keep most of those supplies at home and replenish them as needed. So what is your child bringing to school? Your child is going to bring their pencil box with their name on the bottom. Inside the pencil box will be 2 sharpened pencils each day, 1 glue stick, 1 dry erase marker, a pair of scissors, and a box of crayons. Fits perfectly. Ta-da! So this will come to and from school each day. Okay? This will come to school the first day, the first week. It will live here until the end, I guess. It'll live here for a while. So let's take a minute and just talk really quickly. Again, this year only, art's going to be pushed into the classroom. So the children are going to have art in our classrooms. So Mr. Kirk, our art teacher, is asking that you please gather the following supplies, put them in a bag with your child's name on them. And that's what your child will be using during art class. So in the bag, if you could please put 2 number 2 pencils, a pencil sharpener, some rubber erasers for the pencils, a 10 count of the Crayola markers, a 24 count of the Crayola crayons, a 12 count of the Crayola colored pencils, 2 fine tip black Sharpie markers, 1 ultra fine tip black Sharpie marker, a pair of child scissors, 1 Elmer's glue bottle, and 2 glue sticks. Okay, so that will be in a separate bag with your child's name on it, be sent to school for use during art time. All right, thank you so much for everything. We look forward to seeing you. I hope that made sense, and we cannot wait to start the school year. We're excited to see you. We're excited to see your children. Have a great day.